India. My name is Rajashekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst. I am part of MarketSmith India team, which manages a model portfolio. Before we go ahead into this podcast, the disclaimer is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. It's very important to understand Nifty's price volume action to gauge or to have a short-term view on the market. Not just Nifty's chart, one should also look at major sectoral indices such as Nifty Bank, Nifty Realty, Nifty IT, and other indices as well to get an overview of how the sectoral stocks are doing as well. If you look at the Nifty's chart, you can see here in the last 2 weeks, we have seen a U-shaped kind of pattern on the Nifty. It started to fall from making a new high around this area, and it reached its 50 DMA as well. 50 DMA is the deadline here, and in the current week, it had good momentum on the upside, and it reclaimed its 50 DMA, and currently it is trading just 130, 140 points near less than all-time highs. So Nifty is less than 1% below its all-time high. So we might see again Nifty making a new high in today's session or in the upcoming week. And the sectoral indices are also doing very good. Yesterday, Kotak Bank was under pressure because of a RBI regulation. But apart from Kotak Bank, other banking stocks were doing very good. Other sectoral indices were doing good, except for Nifty IT. So overall, market breadth has improved. And coming to the market status, according to O'Neill's methodology, we are in under pressure. Recently, we have changed the market status to under pressure because Nifty breached its 50 DMA. And currently, distribution day count is at 2 because one distribution day has expired yesterday itself. From 3, it has decreased to 2. Going forward, if the Nifty makes a new all-time high, again, we are going to change the market status to confirmed uptrend. On the downside, 50 DMA is going to be a very crucial level for the index. And if that level is reached and if the 100 DMA is tested, we might change the market status to downtrend. By the time, we might see a couple of more distribution days added to the index as well. Coming to the key news section, currently earnings season, that is March quarter earnings are coming up. IT companies have started to report their numbers, and now some of the finance companies are also starting to report their numbers. Starting with Tech Mahindra, the revenue has fallen sequentially 1.8% to 12,000 crores of rupees. The profit on the other side increased almost 30% to 661 crores of rupees. Bajaj Finance, leading NBFC company in the country. Its net interest income, a key parameter in the financial companies, has grown 28% year-on-year basis to 8,000 crores of rupees. Profit on the other side has increased 21% to 3,800 crores of rupees. On the asset quality front, GNPA has shown an improvement as GNPAs have fallen 9 basis points to 0.85%. Net NPAs have gone up 3 basis points to 0.37%. To understand asset quality, we would like to see a decreasing in NPAs. So whenever NPAs are falling, that means asset quality is improving. IndusInd Bank has also come up with their numbers. Net interest income for the company has grown 15% year-on-year basis to 5,300 crores of rupees. The profit has grown 15% to 2,300 crores of rupees. And asset quality has improved for the IndusInd Bank as well. Gross NPAs were down 6 basis points to 1.92%. Net NPAs were down 2 basis points to 0.57%. In yesterday's session, foreign institutional investors were net sellers in the Indian market. They sold more than 2,800 crores of Indian equities, whereas domestic institutional investors gave very good support for the Indian market. They have bought more than 6,000 crores of Indian equities. In the today's session, some of the major companies which will be reporting their numbers are starting with SBI Life, Maruti Suzuki, HCL Technologies, Mastec, SBI Cards, Bajaj Finance, Force Motors, India Bulls Real Estate, and some other companies which will be reporting their numbers today. For the global update, US market closed lower overnight. S&P Nasdaq closed 0.5 to 0.6% lower, whereas Dow Jones has fallen almost 1%. Asian markets are trading in the positive territory as we speak. Nikkei is trading positive with a gain of 0.4%. Shanghai is trading 0.7% higher. Kospi is trading 1.2% higher. GIFT Nifty is indicating a muted opening for the Nifty index. Yesterday it closed at 22,570 and similar opening is expected on the Indian index if you track the GIFT Nifty. For the chart of the day, we picked the Welspun. It is trading in a stage 2 cup with handle. It is just 3% to the pivot. The ratings are very good, starting with EPS of 91, price strength 79, ABD rating of B+, and number of funds have also shown very good improvement in the last 4 quarters, which is a positive sign. Base formation has also been very ideal. You can see during the base formation, volumes have dried up, which is a positive sign. And if the stock closes or trades above pivot range, and the volume also increases, definitely a very good stock to accumulate. Thanks for joining today's pre-bill. Have a good trading session.